Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are just doing a Mother's Day DIY. We decided to do some tie-dye t-shirts and some burn-out bleach shirts, so we wanted to bring you along with us and show you the process and the outcome. We hope you enjoy. If you do, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. So this is the tie-dye kit that we got. We got it from Joann's, but I think you can get it from Michael's and maybe Hobby Lobby. And it comes with all the colors. You just fill them up to the line with water and then shake them up to make the colors. It comes with all the bands to band them up after you've twisted them, and all the instructions on the back. I think this was like $20, I believe, but it's a pretty good investment. It has all the colors. As you can see, the bleach is already working for the burnout. I just used like, I don't know, just a little bit of water at the very bottom of the spray bottle and filled it with bleach and shook it up, and this started actually turning within a minute. It started to turn. So then I'm going to burn out a spot in this, like the center top of the shirt, to put the vinyl that I want to put on them. Just kind of up here. I'm going to burn it out a little more here in a little bit once I see how this turns out, and then we'll go from there. Kata has her shirt here. She is shaking up all of the colors that she wants. So you just take them and fill them with water and then shake them up. Shake them up really good because they have that powder at the bottom. You just have to make sure you shake them up really good. And now I'm just putting a piece of plastic in between the front and back of the shirt, because when I go to do the burnout spot in the center, it will soak through to the back and you'll have the same design on the back, and I didn't want that. So I just put a piece of plastic in between there and it worked perfectly. As far as the burnout design, all I did was just put the spray bottle on mist, and I would just spray it in a line. And then when I wanted to have more separated drops all over the shirt, I would just hold it up above the shirt and barely pull the trigger, and then drops of bleach would just drop out, you know, kind of randomly all over the shirt. And now we're just twisting up her shirt in the design that she wanted it, and then we're going to put the rubber bands on it and start dyeing it. something that I noticed is that the dye just rolls off of the fabric for some reason. So what you have to do is get up really close and basically just put the tip up against the fabric and squeeze the dye in. And then later on, you'll see that we just dabbed the shirt into the dye that was on the bag, and it ended up working out pretty well. And now she's working on her second shirt with different colors that she picked. When she's finished with this one, we just wrap them all up in saran wrap and put them out in the sun to dry for a little bit. The instructions actually say to let them dry for 6 to 8 hours before unbanding and washing. And these are the finished Bleach burnout shirts. Katie decided that she didn't want a design on hers, so I did the center burnout for the design on mine, and I'll just iron it on when it gets here. They actually turned out really cute. And after we let them all dry, I just washed the Bleach burnout shirts together. And then after I unwrapped and unbanded the tie-dye shirts, I washed them each separately, just because I didn't want the colors from one shirt to get on the other shirts. This was actually our first tie-dye project, and I was really surprised at how vibrant all of the colors came out. We were super happy with this kit, and I'll have it linked in the description box below. All right, that's it for our DIY project. We were super happy with the way that the shirts turned out. I'm glad you guys came along with us. Thanks for watching. Leave us a comment. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.